Have you ever pondered upon the profound connection between the power of prayer and the mysteries of quantum mechanics? A seemingly bizarre juxtaposition, yet as we delve deeper into these realms, we discover a fascinating interplay between the world of the invisible and the tangible. So what is this enigmatic concept of quantum mechanics? It's the branch of physics that deals with the smallest particles in the universe, such as atoms and subatomic particles. Quantum mechanics suggests that reality exists in multiple states at once, only becoming fixed when observed. Now imagine applying this quantum concept to prayer. In essence, a prayer is a heartfelt wish, a deep longing for a certain reality. When you pray, you're expressing a desire for a specific outcome. But how can quantum mechanics influence this process? Step 1. Formulate your prayer as a quantum possibility. This means visualizing your prayer not as a distant, uncertain outcome, but as an already existing reality within the quantum field, a field of infinite possibilities. Step 2. Believe in the power of observation. According to quantum mechanics, the act of observation can determine the state of reality. So, when you pray, believe with certainty that the desired outcome is real. Step 3. Embrace the uncertainty principle. Quantum mechanics tells us that particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. Similarly, accept that your desired outcome is one of many possibilities existing simultaneously. Step 4. Release your prayer into the quantum field. By doing this, you're acknowledging that your desired outcome is already a reality in the quantum realm, waiting to be manifested in the physical world. You're not asking for something to happen, you're aligning yourself with a reality that already exists. By integrating the principles of quantum mechanics into your prayer practice, you open yourself to a world of infinite possibilities. You empower yourself to align with the realities that you desire, rather than merely hoping for them to occur. You become an active participant in the creation of your own reality, rather than a passive observer. This fusion of prayer and quantum mechanics is not about manipulating the universe to cater to your whims. Rather, it's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of the universe and tapping into the limitless potential that exists within and around you. In the world of quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states at once, until they are observed or measured. This concept challenges our traditional understanding of reality and opens up new possibilities for manifestation and transformation. By combining the power of prayer with the principles of quantum mechanics, we can access a deeper level of consciousness and intention, and create profound shifts in our lives and in the world around us. Imagine a world where prayer is not just a passive act of supplication, but an active engagement with the quantum field. A world where we can consciously co-create our reality and manifest our desires with ease and grace. In this new paradigm, prayer becomes a tool for aligning our thoughts, emotions, and intentions with the quantum field and harnessing its infinite potential. It becomes a way to tap into the underlying fabric of reality and shape it according to our highest vision and purpose. As we align ourselves with the natural flow of the universe, we begin to experience synchronicities, coincidences, and miracles. We become co-creators of our reality and agents of positive change in the world. This fusion of prayer and quantum mechanics is not just a theoretical concept, but a practical approach to living a more empowered and fulfilling life. It invites us to explore the intersection of science and spirituality and discover the profound connection between our inner world and the outer world. So, the next time you pray, remember that you are not just sending out a request to a higher power. You are engaging with the quantum field and tapping into the infinite possibilities that exist within and around you. Embrace this fusion of prayer and quantum mechanics and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Remember, you are an integral part of this extraordinary universe. You carry within you the power to shape your reality, so dare to dream, dare to pray, and dare to believe in the infinite possibilities of the quantum realm.